Chapter 10 Tally Marks Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to use tally marks to count, make group of fives, represent tally marks, warm up, let's recite. Let's make tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 shuts the door. 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 draws the line. Teacher's note: apprise the student that 1 is expressed by I tally marks, 2 is represented by 2 tally marks, 3 is represented by 3 tally marks, 4 is denoted by 4 lines tally marks, 5 is not denoted by tally marks in the graphs. For the number 5, draw 4 vertical lines with a diagonal line through it representing tally marks. Objects: tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Facts do you know? Before numbers were invented, people found it difficult to keep records on their belongings, and hence they used to do counting by sticks, which are further known as tally marks. Count and draw. Count the number of objects and then draw tally marks. Objects, number, tally marks. 7. Quick tip: the fifth count is represented by a diagonal line across the previous 4 lines in the second. It is also considered as one group in tally marks. Think wisely, read the tally chart given below carefully and answer the questions. Favorite pets. Pet tally marks 1. How many people like fish as the favorite pet? Answer: 6. Mental maths. A. Count the number of insects in each category and draw a tally mark for each one. Bug tally. Number: spider, ant, snail, butterfly. B. Maths lab activity. Materials required: a pencil. Steps 1. Observe the hairstyle of the children in your class. Now look at the following table and write down. Hairstyle: long hair, short hair, ponytail. Tally marks. A. How many girls have long hair? B. How many girls have ponytails? C. The number of children with short hair is dash, then the children with long hair.